Gigglebox! Hi, I'm Sunny. Thanks for watching this video. You can help support our channel by hitting that subscribe button. You can also visit our website, gigglebox.tv, to stay up to date with all our videos and cool merchandise. Enjoy the video. Bye!
This is the story of the magic porridge pot. Once upon a time, in a little village nestled near the woods, there lived a kind girl named Isla and her mother. They were very poor, and some days they had nothing to eat at all.
Don't worry, Mama. I'll go to the forest and find some berries. Maybe even some mushrooms.
You're always so thoughtful, Isla.
So off Isla went, basket in hand, skipping into the woods. She looked and looked, but there wasn't a berry or mushroom in sight.
I just wish I had something, anything, to feed Mama.
Just then, an old woman appeared, dressed in a cloak of moss and leaves.
You have a kind heart, my dear. Here, take this pot, it's special.
A pot?
Say, cook, little pot, cook, and it will make warm porridge. Say, stop, little pot, stop, and it will stop. But don't forget the magic words.
And before Isla could ask another question, the old woman disappeared. Isla was overjoyed. She ran home and showed her mother the magic cooking pot.
Mama, look what I've got. Cook, little pot, cook.
And just like that, bubbling, steaming, golden porridge filled the pot. It smelled delicious.
It's a miracle and it tastes amazing.
Stop, little pot, stop.
And the pot stopped just like that. From that day on, Isla and her mother were never hungry again. And all they had to do was say the magic words, and in no time, a pot of hot porridge stood on the table. Every day they invited their neighbours for breakfast, and for dinner, and for tea. The pot never ran out. The village had never been so well fed.
More porridge? Don't mind if I do.
I like mine with honey.
And things went on like this until one day, Isla went out to gather some firewood, and while she was gone, her mother grew hungry.
Let me see if I remember the words. Cook, little pot, cook.
And oh, it cooked and cooked and cooked. But Mama had forgotten the other words.
Stop pot, halt, end, off, quit. Oh no, what was it?
The porridge spilled over the table, onto the floor, out the door, and down the path.
Stop, halt, stop cooking.
The porridge oozed down the pavement, poured into the square, and rose up to everyone's knees. It even carried off the Lord Mayor. Soon the whole town was buried in porridge.
The whole town's swimming in breakfast.
The baker's shop turned into a porridge pool. People paddled through the streets with spoons and bowls. Just then, Isla came running home.
Stop, little pot, stop.
The porridge froze in its place with a plop, and the village fell silent.
Thank goodness, that was nearly a porridge disaster.
Down in the streets, the people cheered. Isla had saved the town from the sinking porridge.
Hooray, we're saved.
But there was still just one small problem.
What do we do with all this porridge?
They made porridge cakes, fed porridge to the pigs, built porridge sculptures, and even filled the town fountain with sweet, warm porridge. From that day on, Isla and her mother always had enough to eat, and so did the rest of the town.
And next time, Mama, let's just wait till I'm home.
The end.
Remember to please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated on all our new videos.